Hi friends, we already discussed up to 112 sums. So now we discuss from 113 to 136. Already there are some problems. You just remember one thing. See, this off means multiplication. Okay, just remember off means multiplication. Now 3 times of p. So 3 off means multiply with p. So it comes 3p. Clear everyone? Now 114 same 5 times of q. So 5 of q. So it comes 5q. Okay. Now half means, can I write half like this? Now half of means multiply with z. Okay. So it comes z by 2. Okay. Z by 2. Now 1/3 of p. Now 1/3 of means multiplication p. So it comes p by 3. Okay. Now 4 times of x. So 4 into x. It comes 4x. Okay. 2 times of x. So it comes 2 into x is equal to 2x. Okay. Now quadrilateral. It is the meaning of this one is 4. Okay, so 4 times of r. So it comes 4r. Okay, now these two are the formulas. 120 and 121 is a formulas. So remember, a power m into a power n. If multiplication are there, then it comes, if these two are same. If these two are same, then a to power m minus n. Remember. Okay, now this a plus. Okay, now if a to power m by a to power n, if division is there, if these two are same, then a to power m minus n. Okay, now this 120 and 122 are same. So let's try. 2 and 2 are same, bases are same, powers are different. So if multiplication is there, what is the formula? 2 to power m plus n. So 2 plus 3. It comes 2 to power 5. Okay. Now 123. 2 to power 3 divided by 2 to power 2. So it comes 2 to power 3 minus 2. It comes 2 power 1. Okay. Clear? Now root 124 sum. Root 4 means, root 4 can I write 2 square and then root, because 2 can I write 4 2 square? Yes. Now square root will be cancelled. So what is left? 2. Remember, so root 4 value is 2. Okay. Now same. Can I write 3? 9 can I write 3 to power 3 square, and root is there. Okay. Now this root, square and root will cancel. What is the answer? 3. So remember, root 9 value is 3. Okay. Now root x into root x. See, if we multiplying with two numbers who has roots value, then root will be cancelled. Okay. So root x into root x, it comes x only. Root will be cancelled. Okay. For example, root 5 into root 5. So root will be cancelled. So only left 5 is left. Okay. Now 128 square root of 0.0009. Okay. So can I write this 0.03 whole square whole root? Because 0.03, if you multiply with again 0.03, then you get 0.009. Okay, so this square and this root will be cancelled. So what is left? Only 0.03 will left. Okay, so what is the answer? 0.03. Okay. Now say now 129 sum. Remember how to do now. Say 129 root 16 by x is equal to 2. Remember, if roots are there, if in question roots are there, then you have to just squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So 16 by x whole square is equal to 2 whole square. I am just squaring both sides. Now this square root will be cancelled. So 16 by x is equal to 2 square 4. Okay. Now this cross multiplication 1 into 16 is equal to x into 4 x into 4. Now this multiplication part both that side becomes division. So x is equal to 16 by 4. So 1 time 4 times. So 4 is the answer. Okay. Clear anyone how to do? 129. Now let's go to 130. Say root over 1 plus x by 144, okay, is equal to 13 by 12. Say in your material 129 and 130 is given like this. Okay, it is given like this, and back answer also wrong, but this is like this only. Okay, actually printing mistake is there. Clear everyone? Now, so now again squaring both sides. 1 plus x by 144 whole square is equal to 13 by 12 whole square. Clear? Now this root and this square will cancel. So 1 plus x by 144 is equal to 169 by 144, because 13 square 169, 12 square 144. Now let's take LCM. LCM is 144. Now 144 plus x is equal to 169 by 144. I already said if in between equal to is there and denominators are same, we can cancel easily. Okay, this one time, this one time. Now what is left? 144 plus x is equal to 169. Now this plus 144 goes that side becomes minus. So x is equal to 169 minus 144. It comes 25. Okay, clear? So this is a 130 sum. Now you just remember the value of root 2. Just remember 1.41. Okay, if you want another decimal, then you can write like this. This is a direct value. And 132 also is direct value. 1.7. Okay, 1.73 if you write, then also is correct. But only one decimal is enough. Now let's go to 133. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by x is equal to 4. Say we have to find the x value here. So I am sending this minus 1 by x go that side, this plus will come that side. So write down 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 4 is equal to 1 by x. Okay, now take LCM. What is the LCM? 3, 2 and 1? 6. Okay, so 2 is a minus 3 minus 24 is equal to 1 by x. Okay, now plus minus will be minus. Okay, so minus 1 minus 24 by 6 is equal to 1 by x. Okay, now minus will be plus. So 25 minus sign will come because both are same. 6 is equal to 1 by x. Now cross multiply. X into minus 25 is equal to 6 into 1, 6. Now this multiplication part both that side becomes division. So x is equal to 6 by 25 and minus sign up. Clear? So this is the answer. Okay? Clear everyone? Now let's take 135. And remember 133 and 134 both are same question. Okay? Now let's start with 135. Now here we have to find the value of x. Say first of all take LCM. 5 and 6 LCM. Otherwise if you don't know LCM then just cross multiply. I already said now 5 into 6 30. 6 into x minus 6x plus 5 into x 5x is equal to 7. Okay. Now this minus plus will be minus. So 6x minus 5x x. Minus sign will come because 6 is a bigger number. Is equal to this 30 go that side becomes multiply. 7 into 30. So minus x is equal to 210. Okay. Now this minus if we go that side then minus 210 because if I multiply total in minus then it becomes plus and this becomes minus. So x is equal to minus 210. Okay. If I will multiply with total with minus then you get plus is x is equal to minus 210. Okay. Now let's start with 136 sorry. $169Q minus 248Q. So here also plus minus will be minus. So 248 minus 169 it becomes 79Q. Okay. Why I am using minus? Because both carrying same variable. Okay. Already we discussed. Now which sign will come? Minus sign will come. So this is the answer. Okay. See already we completed up to 136. Now let's take more questions. Okay. Already we completed up to 136 sums. Now let's take 137 to 150. This is the last video about basic concepts of integers. Let's start with 137. Say minus b is equal to minus u minus at. We have to find the t value. So remember if we have to find t value, but t also carrying minus sign na. So do one thing, all are minus na. I am multiplying with the minus sign only. This equation minus b is equal to minus u minus at. I am full multiplying with the minus. Okay. So minus minus becomes plus is equal to minus minus becomes plus. Minus minus becomes plus 80. Okay, clear everyone? Now this plus will come that side becomes minus. So v minus u is equal to 80. Okay, so this multiplication part both that side becomes minus division. So v minus u by a is equal to t. Okay, clear everyone? Clear? Now let's take another problem 138. 138 also same. Okay, same only. Minus y is equal to minus mx minus c. We have to find c value. Say just multiply with minus sign. Multiply with minus sign. So just multiply with minus sign. Okay. Now minus minus becomes plus. Plus y minus minus become plus. Plus mx is minus. This is equal to. Okay. In between equal to is there. Now minus minus become plus c. Okay. Now we have to find c value. Now this plus will go that side. This will go that side become minus. So y minus mx is equal to c. Okay. So this is the answer. Clear everyone? Now let's start with 139. Okay. 139. A is equal to minus 2h L plus B. We have to find the L value. Say here multiply is there. So this multiply go that side becomes division. So A by 2h is equal to L plus B. What we have to find? L values. So this plus will come that side becomes minus. So A by minus 2h minus B. So this is the answer. Okay. Now 140. Okay. So A is equal to same problem 2h L minus B. We have to find B value. Say this multiply go that side becomes minus. So A by 2h is equal to L minus B. We have to find B value. So this plus will come, that side becomes minus. So A by 2H minus L is equal to minus B. But we have to find only B value. Minus sign is there. I said already, just multiply with the total minus sign. So minus plus will be minus. So minus A by 2H. Minus minus become plus. Plus L is equal to B. So this is the answer. Okay, clear? Now this is 140. Now let's start with 141. One by F is equal to 1 minus 1 by U minus 1 by V. We have to find the F, U and V. First of all, I will find F value. See, F value how to find? Just take LCM. If you don't know LCM, just multiply down. U into V. So I'm U, V. Now cross multiply. V into minus V minus V. Okay, just I'm multiplying, cross multiply. Now, what happened? Just cross multiplication. U into V into 1 UV is equal to F into minus V minus U. Okay. Now this multiply goes that side becomes division. So UV by V minus V is equal to F. So this is the F value. Now if I will take same question, now we have to find U value. So how to find? See, now first of all send, this is the first. Now first of all send this side. This will, we have to find U value now, so I will send this, that side. So 1 by F, okay, plus 1 by V is equal to minus 1 by U. Okay, now take LCM. Just multiply F into V. Now cross multiply. V plus F into 1 F is equal to minus 1 by U. Okay, now minus sign is there. So multiply with total with minus sign. Okay. Now minus plus will be minus V. Minus plus will be also minus V. F by FV is equal to 1 by U. But minus minus become plus. Okay. Now we have to find U value. I will write up. Now we have to find U value. Just cross multiply. U into minus V minus F, okay, is equal to F into V. Okay, now this multiply goes that side becomes division. So FV by minus V minus F. So this is the answer. Okay, this is a U value. This is a second. Okay, now last V. We have to find V value. See, now I am sending this that side. What happened? 1 by F plus 1 by U is equal to minus 1 by V. Okay, same LCM. FU, because multiply, U into 1 U plus F into 1 F is equal to minus 1 by V. Okay, now do cross multiply. Otherwise multiply with minus sign. So minus U minus F by FU is equal to 1 by V. Plus will come because minus minus become plus. Okay. Now do cross multiplication. I will write up V into minus U minus F is equal to FU. Now this multiply goes that side becomes division. So FU is equal to minus U minus F. Okay, so this is the third part. Okay, now this is now see 141, 142, 143 are same question only. Okay, so let's start with 144. Okay, so 144 sum is, see, S is increased by 5 times. Remember, by and of both are multiply only. So what is the S value we have to find? So S multiply with 5. If we multiply S into 5, then how much? 5S. Okay, so answer is 5S. Now if I ask 145 sum now, if s is increased to 5, now 2 means plus, so 145 telling that s plus 5, okay, because s plus 5, okay. Now 146, L is increased by 10%. Now by means multiply, so L into 10%. How to write 10%? 10 by 100. So 1 0 cancel. So 1 L into 1, L by 10. Okay. Back side is given 1 L by 10. Okay. Don't confuse. It is not 11. 1 L. Okay. So answer is 1 L. Okay. 1 L by 10. Now let's start with 147. L is increased to 2 means plus, so L plus 10%. How to find 10%? Same, this is multiply, L plus 1 by 10. Now take LCM. If I take LCM, this is 10, this is 10 L plus 1. Okay, so it is the only answer, but the back side is given same 1 L by 10. It is wrong. This is the answer. Okay, remember. Clear? This is the answer. Now 148. Ax plus b is equal to 0. We have to find the x value. So x value you have to find. So I am sending this b plus we go that side becomes minus. So ax is equal to minus b. Now this multiply go that side becomes division. So x is equal to minus b by a. Clear? This is a 148. Now 149. Minus y by 2 minus y by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 8. We have to find the y value. Simple, just multiply down. I told you na, 2 into 4, 8. Now cross multiply. 4 into y minus 4y minus 2 into 2y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now same denominator. Can I cancel 1 by 1? Very good. Now minus minus becomes plus. So 6y minus sign will come is equal to minus 1. Okay. So y is equal to minus minus will be cancelled. So y is equal to 1 by 6. But remember one thing. Back side is given y is equal to minus 1 by 6. It is wrong. Okay. Printing mistake. Y is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Now last problem 150. Minus 7y plus 4y minus 16y plus 22y. Say already we discussed this type of problems in first video because variables are same. Let's take 2 2. Okay, minus plus minus, so 7y minus 4y, it comes 3y. Which sign will come? Minus sign will come. Now again minus plus minus, so 22 minus 16, how much? 6y. Now which sign will come? Plus sign will come because 22 is bigger than 16. Now minus plus will be minus, so 6 minus 3, it comes 3. Okay, plus sign will come, plus 3y. Okay, clear? So this is a 150 problem. Now we completed the basic concepts of integers. Okay, thanks for watching the videos.